this part that I want to model with you. I'll get a drawing available if you want to follow along. So I start a new part. Make a sketch on the right plane. Just throw in a couple of circles. First one is 19. Second one is 33. And then close the sketch. I need to do mid-plane extrusion. Of 92 millimeters is the first part. Now do another circle there. This one will be 62 millimeters. And just select that edge and convert edges. That will bring this sketch to our current sketch. Now extrude. Extrude. Change direction. Also extruding from an offset. I have a bit of a flow today, so please forgive me. Offset of 2 millimeters. That's 2 millimeters in the other direction. Also extruding the same direction, and we are extruding by 8. Got that? Now let me throw in the fillet over there for the sharp edges. That's 2 millimeter fillet. Done. Let's select this and the fillet and use the mirror tool. Mirror about the right plane. Perfect. Now I got them two things. Now we need to create a new plane. First reference will be the top plane. Top plane, and offset is going to be 46 millimeters. Lovely. Now let's do a sketch on this plane. Just draw a bunch of circles. First one, like before, 19 millimeters. Second one was 33 millimeters. Just a 33, right? Get that. Now let's extrude. Close the sketch. Extrude. Change direction. This one must go up to the surface of the pipe. Just press that. There you got it. Beautiful. Now on that face, can make another sketch. This time draw a circle of 62 millimeters. This completes the flange. Get that and do the inner part. Convert edges. That brings that line onto our current sketch, so you can use to extrude. Exit the sketch, extrude. And don't forget we're extruding from an offset of 2 millimeters. 2 millimeters offset. Change direction and change direction. This go up to 8 and you close. Don't forget the difference over there of 2 millimeters. Done. You're taking shape now. Now we need to cut a hole onto the pipe now. Make a sketch there. Convert edges. Now you got a sketch you're gonna use to cut. Extrude cut. Use the sketch there and say up to surface and pick the inner surface of the pipe. That pipe will get cut. That's what I'm talking about. Beautiful. Lovely. Now we'll throw a fillet of 14.5 millimeters. Beautiful. On the other side too. Let's draw. Now on the inside, you're gonna need to use 14.5 plus the thickness of the pipe, which is 14.5 plus 7 millimeters to a total of 21.5 millimeters. That's what the thread is going to be on the inside to maintain the thickness of the pipe on the turn. So on the inside, you put one fillet there, another one there, and you go, okay. Let's do a section. Let's see what we get. What you got now? Beautiful. You see that smooth turn there? It maintains 7 millimeters on the turn. Now, sketch on this face with some holes coming through here. Make one ball circle to mark the position of the hole as 46 millimeters for construction. Beautiful. Now the quadrants, you're going to put all your small hole circles there. Big circle 2, one hole, one circle there, the other one, another one. Yes, I eyeballing them for now. We're going to dimension later. So, dimension the first one. Hole is 5.5 millimeters. Now mark this circle and all the other 3 circles and put a relation equal. The circles are going to be fully defined now. Now as the sketch, extrude cut. This time we'll say up to next. It's going to go just around the corner of the flange. Understand the flange? That's where the hole is going to end up. Beautiful. Now we can call a sketch again to cut the other side. You extrude. Now you can say you're extruding from a surface and pick the other side of the flange, the other side flange, and then say up to next again. Same sketch used on 2 parts. Cut our holes there. Now with more holes on the top now. Top flange. Sketch. Number 2. Get your ball circle diameter for 6 millimeters. For construction. Big circle 2. Put your circles there. Dimension at 5.5. Just put the other ones. We'll constrain them afterwards. Now mark all 4 circles. Sketch relation equal. Be fully constrained. Close the sketch. Extrude cut. Up to next. Beautiful. Now let's throw a couple of fillets of 3 millimeters each. One day, and one day, and then we're done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a good day.